This year, the 2025 Buganda sports competitions will commence on the 25th of April, 27th of April at Mandela National Stadium in Nambole. I'm calling upon all clans to get ready by 9 a.m. to assemble and we play the opening game, the opening tournament of netball. Thereafter, we shall have the official opening and the finals, plus those playing for second and third place in netball, and the opener in football on the 3rd May at Mutesa 2 Stadium in Wankurukuku. The games this year will be finalized on the 7th of June 2025. The opening teams in this year's Bika football tournament is Ngabi Nyunga clan and Kasimba clan. We shall play, this year we are going to go into traditional wrestling. We are going to play mueso. We are going to play football, 7-a-side of under 12 and 7-a-side football of over 35 years old. So everyone, you can get back to your clan and we make the 70th birthday celebrations of His Majesty the Kabaka memorial with our Bika Tournament 2025. On the opening day, we shall start with a procession where each clan will march, will have a march past to show presence, be happy, enjoy. Of over 50 clan members in a particular clan will come to attend that march. We shall have gates open with ordinary entrance at 10,000, VIP at 20,000. The children will access the pitches free of charge.